This is the incoming international market in Oba, Anambra State. This particular location is comprises of the old international market and also the incoming pharmaceutical markets. And today we visited the area to go and see the progress that has been made so far. Let's go in, guys. So we started from the back to film this particular one. So we are currently, I think, at the back where the the construction, or should I say, buildings currently ended. What you just watched is they already completed, I think, company around that axis. So the last time I visited here in middle of last year, I showed you some kind of samples and at the entrance of this particular international market that bears both the importers and the rest of them, including companies. This location we're gonna be including the pharmaceutical market, international market, importers, different companies will be located here. And according to what we had the last time we visited, they said the market, we have both police station, banks, and the rest of them. So the last time we visited, they are at work, and this time around I think a lot of progress have been made though, but I can tell you that the work is very sluggish. That's all I can say, because from the middle of last year that we visited here and now that we are coming again, just should I say close to 6 or 7 months gap. What you saw here is not quite impressive. I should say it's not quite impressive. This work is somehow very dull. And before I start voicing over this particular clip, I also learned that the governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Soludo, also visited this location today, being Wednesday. But I visited this place on Tuesday, a day before he visited. So I think he came there to make some promises from the video that I watched. So we also, if you watch the video, you see all he said. I'm not gonna be putting the clip here because of a copyright issue or use content problem. So this is the looks of everything. I'll be leaving the link of the old video on this particular one, so you watch them and also watch this one thoroughly and just see the few differences between the two videos. The last time we visited, almost all the buildings around here are still on the ground floor. None of them has been is upped. So but this time around, when we visited again, we noticed that most of the buildings are now being taken high. Some of them are being added just extra one kind of story buildings, and some of them are still at the ground floor, and some places that has no building, I think their buildings have been erected there. So the only thing I kind of liked within this area is that all the shops here are very big. Like the shops are very big. I made mention of it on previous video we made last time we visited. The shops are very big and not that tiny. It is very big, and big enough to contain something. So this is the looks of everything this time around that we visited. So like I said earlier, you can check out our old video to see the difference. So this particular angle that we're exploring right now, I don't think there's any much thing they have added around here. It's still almost the same way it is looking the last time we visited. That's the same way the thing is up to now. But after this side, we will head over to the other side to also show you. So the other side of it is where you see a kind of much different. So this particular pharmaceutical market has one major entrance. It has one major entrance, which is if you are coming from the Oba road, the Oba heading to Oruku road. It has one major entrance which has been completed, and also a gate has also been installed there with a kind of security that is protecting the site. So it has a major entrance and with a dual carriage road. in a kind of a road that was demarcated. So but the road has not been asphalted, but they have given space for the road. So at some point, once you get down, you see another road by your left. I think that one will be taking you to maybe maybe the old international market, because if you enter the pharmaceutical market, you notice that they kind of demarcated it from the old international market. Even the old international market also has its own entrance. Like the last time we visited, the entrance the entrance has not been constructed, but this time around, I think they have put up their own gates and also installed gates in front of that particular place. So I'll be showing you everything on this video. I will show you the old international market, show you the entrance gate, and also show you the entrance gates to the pharmaceutical market. And this time around that I visited, I also noticed something like that old international market. I think even it was a kind of carefully built, because at the frontage of that old international market, I got to discover that it has a very large car park. Like the place has a very large car park, which I will be showing you before the end of this video. When I I leave the this vicinity, I will show you the looks and everything. So the place has a very huge car park in front of it, and I'm just hoping when this when they are done with the construction, that car park will be retained, because it's very very good. And also this pharmaceutical market, she also has its own car park. Even if it is inside the market, they should also provide car park for them. And the other thing I would like to contribute on this particular construction is let it not be like other previous markets, major market we have within Onitsha axis, where debris or dirtiness are littered everywhere. Let this particular market carefully be taken care of, honestly. As they are finishing with the whole thing, let the road be fixed in order. Let every entrance to the building be kind of asphalted, or be German floored or something, so that whenever it rains, the place will still be looking very very neat. So the previous road you watch is the main entrance road from the main gate to the market. So this one will lead you to the old international market. So from here, I zoom in the entrance to the old international market, which I'm gonna be showing you in a more clearer position once we get to that side. So this is the looks of everything, and I can tell you some progress have been made, like I said earlier, but the work is still very very though. So I'm still saying every necessary thing should be provided in this market. People should be made to use the waste waste basket. They should make it compulsory, and they should provide it for the people. Let this place not be like the other place we used to have. Honestly, all the roads should be tied, and they should carefully maintain them. Car park should be provided, not when people coming to buy something, or the traders coming for trading. They will just park anyhow. The whole market will be looking like what I don't know, and so congested, and the rest of them. So this is the I think this is the old international market. This is the old international market, and this is the entrance road. From here, you will start heading to that back, the the one I previously showed you at the beginning of this video. You will start heading to that back. Over there is the main entrance gate. So this is the looks of the old international market. It is a downstairs building, unlike this pharmaceutical market that has been built upstairs. This one is a downstairs buildings. So this is the looks of the old structures. I think they will just maintain the building, or maybe extra thing will be added to it, but there's nothing much is going on within this except this entrance gate they have constructed. So this is the looks of this place with the drainage system and the rest. So once you get to that entrance, you will see everything for yourself. See the car park, see the entrance to the old international market, and also see the one leading you to the pharmaceutical market. So guys, if you have watched this video to this to this particular place, kindly do subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and don't forget to share the video. So this is the side of the market, and over there is the car park, the the space provided for the car parking. And from here to, I can assuming the boat entrance, so you see them. But I have also showed you the looks of the boat entrance before this particular clip. So guys, kindly subscribe to our channel, don't forget to click on the like button, don't forget to share the video, give us your own take via the comment section, watch the old video before this one. Thanks.